guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today's video, I'm going to finish the collaboration that I'm participating for the month of July. So this is a saving around the world, 12 months of saving. So part of this collaboration is, hold on, 12 channels. And you can see it on their, okay, so it's called Saving Around the World 2025, 12 months of saving. So part of this is Hassel and Flo's Co. Dayad Budget, Amy Wibuo, Glory's Budget, Cherry Blossom Budget, Mamshi Queen, Lovely Budget HK, which is it's me. Hi. Pipa's Aunt, Income Babes, Planner Budget, Cast and Color Budget, and Boop and Budget. So Irene of Boop and Budget is the brain of this collaboration. So now we are in the month of July, and it represents Philippines or Pilipinas. So this one is what I made. I create this. And if you want to get the whole set of 12 months, you can check Irene of Boop and Budget Copa Shop, or the rest of my co-collaborator. They post it on their Copa Shop. Okay, so this is a roll and save. Let's roll and save. Let's finish this. So let's finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's finish it. So 5. Tatay, nanay. Yeah, 5, 2, 1, 4, 4, 6. Okay. And you know what? I forgot to count the money. Let me check. I forgot to count the money. So what I'm going to save here is $100. So this $100, I think we need some coins or some change. So let's check here how much we roll here. Just hang on. Okay, let's check. So just $100 here. I put it on this side. And let's count here. 8, 10, 21, 22. If I'm not mistaken. 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1. So $22. So let's save here $22. So 22 minus 50, so 28. So give me $28 change. So this is what all I save in this collaboration. I will not count it yet. I will count it at the end of this year. So not enough. So let's change this into coins. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's 28. Okay, 28. So let's double check how much I save on only in this particular month. 22 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. So on this one, I saved $36. Yay! Not bad. Very nice. 36. So next one is gonna be, hold on. Next month, it's gonna be Australia of Pipa's Aunt. So just check it out. This is what Pipa's creation. So just check Pipa's Copa Shop. So next collaboration is this pick and save collab. So this one consists of 8 channels. So Momshi Queen, Color and Cast Budget, Lovely Budgets HK, Hi, Blessed Budget by Abigail, Keeping It Crispy, Boop and Budget, Hippies, Puppies and Kitten Budget, Sin and a Budget, and the last one is going to be you if you want to save with us. So if you don't want, just omit this because this is too kind without the stars and with the stars. So I just print out the one with the stars. So basically this one you have to roll your dice and pick a card. So this creation is made by Momshi Queen with my with with some of my ideas. I just some input and let's see how much we're gonna save here. It consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 small card bonus. And let's shuffle this. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Yay! So let's see how much we gotta save here. So put this one there. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. Lovely. Okay, let's roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I have 6 here. Let's change it into 8-sided dice. Okay. Yep, 8-sided dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2. How much? $4. $4. 2 is cash and color budget. So $4 here. Next one. 1. Oh, last one for Momshi Queen. Yay! So how much? $6. This is done, 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 done. Next one is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is first one for hippies, puppies, and kittens. So how much? So $5. Next one. How much we roll? 1, 2, 3. Let's roll one more. So let's roll 4. So 2. Cash and color budget. So this is the last one. So 2. How much? 4. Okay. So this done too. Hooray! Okay. So how much we're gonna save on this collaboration? $19. Okay. Let's put it back. $19. So let's save. Let's put 20 here. So 19, 20, 30. Is correct? 19, 20. Okay. So far, let's see how much. I'm so excited. 100, 120. All right, 120. Two. So much. Okay, next one is group play. So for group play, let's see. This is a roll and save. You can check my Kopay shop if you want to join me on doing this. This is a three set. So a set of 3, sorry. And you can check it on my Kopay shop. So this is a roll and save. Let's roll 6-sided dice. Whatever you want to save or 4-sided dice, it's up to you. So or just designate the amount on each circle. So 5. Let's change it. So even if I forgot, I will remember. 5. Oops, sorry. 6. Okay, let's wait here. So $11. Let's get $11. Hi, say hi. Come here.
Hi guys. Hi
Where?
lovelies.
Hi, Oli.
Sorry my nails are not cut yet.
Just got from university interview. I hope she will pass.
She?
Let's see. He, sorry. You know my grammar, darling. So let's. Oh, so this one is from no release budget, and I want to finish it, but we don't have much money, so let's try. It's a roll and save. So 2, 2. So let's save here $4 for now. Not 9. Okay, let's do one here. Not 9 is from Lisa Les. So I finished this row last week. So this week I will try to finish this row. So basically you have to avoid rolling 9. So we need to use 2. And if I roll 2, 2 to 8, you have to save 5. If I roll 10 to 12, I have to save 10. If I roll 9, I have to save 15 and stop the game. Okay, let's roll it. So you have 5 chances. Let's do it. So 8. So $5. 3 is $5. So I think I need to stop there. So $10. This is not done. I just got a mistake here. So where all the completed saving challenges go on this binder. So all the completed saving challenge will go to our month ahead binder. So I've just tried to complete my month ahead for groceries, food, and remittance, and additional for the rent. So that's why I'm doing some fun saving challenges. So this one is from Miss L. Thomas, Laura. So I already searched it and I find, I think this one, Budget House by Karin, Cash Budget Retiree, Mamshi Queen, which is this one, Step on a Budget, April Fresh Start Budget by Camilla, Monday's Budgeting Journey, Frugality's Life, Fiona, Budget with Carly, Here to Their Journey, and Prop Budgets, as well as Blue Kiwi Budgets and Budget Strategies by Jen Girl Budgets. So how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. So let's save here $14. Okay. And next one, how much we have here? $20 left. Okay. So this one is from Eva of Budget Your Life. And I got it from her website. So let's roll and save here. So 3. I need a pen. Don't want to mark it. 3, 6. Last one? 1, so 7. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. My bell. So this is done. How much we save here? Let's 7, right? Let's get the total and I'll change it into there. Okay. 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5. So 23. Let's do 23. 23. Let's change this. Oh, why I put it back? Hold on. Lovely, don't mess up. Okay, so 23. I still have $13 left. Okay, all right. So where we're gonna keep it? On my tin can, heart tin can. And where is it? It's in here, in here. Yay. Okay. Just watch out for the reallocation of this and unstopping of this one. It's coming out soon. I will just, after this, I'll permit this one. So for August, she got this one. Wow, nice. Yum. It's a summer theme. So for Grammy's Journey, for Miss Gracie. Hi, Miss Gracie. So how much? 4 and 2? 6. 6 to complete. So let's get 6 here. 6? No. 10. 4 to, yeah, it's, oh no, I mess up. Let's see. 8, 10, 15. Yeah, 15. So I only have here $13. So let's cross here $13. So I didn't finish it. 13. So what to do? Okay. 5, 4, and 4. So $13. So I didn't finish it today, so I'll finish it next week. Why not? Coconut. Alright, that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for being here and hope you have fun with me and mess up with me. So FYI, if this is not messy, this is not my channel. If I done made mistake on my cast stuffing, it is not me. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my messy cast stuffing. Bye for now and see you later, lovelies. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. God bless. Love ya. Bye.